the social interaction like between the athletes and the different sports? Because, the big guys get a lot of love, they get a lot of attention, but then you have your Olympic sports, and then you have some of the female athletes, they don't get as much love. Do they get to network? How does that work? And how does that help them?
Yeah, I think it's been amazing to see all the student athletes come together from various sports and teams, particularly in how it comes and how it ebbs and flows throughout the day to really connect. There's nothing like a meal to really just share and talk about what's going on and current trends, things that are happening. There's always nice sports TV shows, and obviously the top 10 Sports Center always gets folks going. But it's just been awesome for me and for our staff to see our students integrate and have this platform to utilize and bring people together, which meals always do.
That's the thing about being a Spartan, everybody. And if you're a parent out there, or you're a student that's thinking about coming to MSU as an athlete or just academically, we want you both. Because let me tell you something, the athletes, the family at Michigan State University, they changed my life. Where I'm not doing radio if we're not, 13 years of radio now, doing all these videos, doing all these things, still training at the university, still hanging out with students, still giving mentorship to all these love our students so much. So if you're thinking about it, you need to make a visit and come see us and check out our Spartan sagas on our website, because there are several students, quite a few students that I've interviewed, who talk about their journey, and they're all different. They're all really unique in how they arrived at MSU. For example, check out Anna Thomas, a young woman from Houston, who is a sophomore now, who we're very close. And I talk to her pretty regularly via text or on the phone. And kids, just incredible. Just incredible people. And why she came to MSU, you need to go check that one out. Find that podcast. Go to our website. All right.
So
Ashton,
we have an Army of Spartan support here, which is not rare. It's very rare to have that type of just ability to be around folks who really truly care about this institution and our department.
That's why the Spartan family is so strong. Let me carry this through, because we're coming up on break here. Ashton Henderson is my guest today, everybody. Moving forward, athletics at MSU. All of the people that Ashton just mentioned are all Spartans, and that's one of the things about the Spartan family. You talk to a Darquez Denard. When I talked to Darquez Denard this past fall at that football game, he said he knows when he comes to MSU that everybody that he talks to, he can trust. And that's what you need to understand, parents out there, student athletes out there, incoming academic scholars that are out there that are considering MSU. We want your business. We want you to consider MSU. Take a visit. Once you take a visit, you're going to be sold. That's all there is to it. Ashton Henderson is with us today, everybody. Moving forward, athletics at MSU. This is the time. But I'm telling you guys, MSU does some awesome things, and the traditional media loves to beat up on us. It is what it is. We're not here to do that. Ashton, this is where I'm going to throw it to you. Ashton Henderson's greatness. He's an example of why we need to help our student athletes and our students at MSU. And you know what? All of the bad pub that we get, you know what? Some of it's deserving. Okay, fine. We've had some things that have occurred that were kind of out of our control, and I'm not making excuses, none whatsoever. I'm just a loyal green and white Spartan, and I love having people like Ashton on. Darian Harris has been on. Everybody who supports the Spartan athletic program and MSU in general, all the way through. Love them all. Thank you so much for joining us today, everybody. As usual, I'm Papa Tom, as I say on my Dad Talks, #Dad Talks. We'll talk to you next time. Peace out. Love y'all.